how to integrate data from legacy equipment in pharmaceutical and biotech manufacturing. Introducing the key steps to creating an automation integration layer with the Xenon software platform. In the pharmaceutical industry, integrating legacy equipment with IT infrastructure can be a key challenge. This is especially true when complying with data integrity regulations and transitioning from paper to electronic batch records. See how Xenon, configured as an automation integration layer, AIL, addresses these issues to improve data integrity, efficiency, and productivity. Fulfill data integrity requirements with integrated features in the Xenon software platform, like user access control, e-signature, audit trail, historian, and recipe management. Pharmaceutical companies often prioritize performance, quality, and security over data integration and interoperability when buying equipment. Therefore, machines may work very well, but they are often digital silos. They are frequently not connected with IT systems. In a typical brownfield scenario, pharmaceutical manufacturing involves various machines from different manufacturers, each equipped with different PLCs. These machines may use different interfaces, such as OPC-UA and CSV files. To ensure compliance and optimize processes, multiple IT software systems, like Manufacturing Execution Systems, MES, Historian, Energy Data Management, EDMS, and Overall Equipment Effectiveness, OEE, requires data from manufacturing equipment. The integration between these systems and the manufacturing hardware is crucial for efficient operations. How should you implement this automation integration layer? Through the Xenon software platform, it's possible to implement a modular and scalable middleware solution, also known as the automation integration layer. Xenon offers a wide variety of connectivity options to integrate with existing machines, PLCs, including legacy PLCs like Simatic S5 and field equipment. It overcomes data integration issues between existing applications, becoming a bridge between hardware and software. Xenon's low-code, no-code software with modular engineering is a perfect and rapid solution. The approach enables users to gain extended connectivity and data contextualization with machines and devices from multiple vendors as a GAMP5 software Cat4 product. Thanks to Xenon Smart Objects, it's easy to create an equipment where every object represents an equipment type. The modular hardware architecture, composed by edge-level service engines and centralized IIoT services, offers a scalable approach to equipment integration. A Xenon automation integration layer can contextualize and aggregate data while enabling two-way communication between each machine and IT services like MES or cloud providers. A Xenon automation integration layer makes data accessible to all teams, allowing them to improve processes, quality, and efficiency. This enables and accelerates your digital transformation. See how Xenon provides the functionality and flexibility your operation needs. Transform your production today with Xenon as your automation integration layer.